Automatic wire cutting machine. Accurate length cutting for energy storage harness. Precise terminal crimping. Ensure reliable electrical connection. Install protective sleeve to prevent wire abrasion and short circuit. Heat shrink shipping wrapping. Precision wire sequence testing. Deliver waterproof and insulation performance. Finished energy storage wiring harness. Orderly packaging for shipment. Yundian, custom energy storage wiring harness supplier.